How are you all doing? I'm back after a 2-month hiatus. The break from YouTube was so I could focus all of my effort on creating my Amazon advertising course. Putting all of my advertising knowledge, tips, and strategies into an easy to understand course has been one of the most time-consuming challenges I've ever faced. But I am pleased to report that I only have 2 more videos to record and edit, and then the course will finally be complete. The course will have 34 no-fluff lessons that will take you through every step of the advertising process and will hold your hand through the basics of Amazon advertising to the more advanced strategies. I have put my heart and soul into this course, and I demonstrate how my advertising strategies have helped to achieve overall success in my publishing career. So I'm very excited to share it with you, and I cannot wait to see you put the knowledge to good use. The course is set to release on the 31st of August. Please join my Facebook group KDP Secrets for regular updates, sneak peeks, and after the last 2 videos are complete, I will be looking for beta testers to trial it out. Amazon advertising is where most people struggle and is the topic I get most questions about. So it was only right that I made a course to stop people wasting their money. This income report is a bit late as we are now in August, but I didn't want to lose my income report streak on YouTube. So I will make this video very brief. I know these income report videos don't help you as much as my tutorials do, but I've had to hold off on the YouTube videos in order to bring you something 10 times more valuable in the way of my course. After the course is completed, I will get back to publishing more frequently on YouTube. Let's get into the income report. For the month of June, I earned $3,866, which was down from $4,071, which I earned in May. I wasn't shocked that my royalties would drop, as we had the Amazon price increase on the 20th of June. I knew that this change would affect my sales, as I had to increase most of my prices. I was unsure about changing my prices, especially on books I created years ago, because I didn't want them to get flagged for a misleading word or something like that. Touch wood, I haven't had one email about this, which is great. Since the May income report, I have uploaded 1 book, which literally took me 30 seconds. As I was going through and updating my book prices, I came across a book that I must have forgot to publish. It was sitting in draft mode, so all I had to do was finish off the uploading process, and that was it. Because I haven't really created any books in a few months, I have had to rely on my advertising to keep the sales rolling in. Advertising many of my books means that they continue to rise above my competitors, or if they are bestsellers, they maintain their positions. The most royalties I earned in a day was $190, and my lowest day was just $90. My royalties go through a slump during the summer months, and to avoid getting disheartened, I like to look at what I've earned for the year. As you can see, from the beginning of the year until August, I have earned over $42,000. That's not bad considering I have 5 months of royalties left for the year, which includes the best period for royalties, Q4. My top 10 best-selling books brought me royalties of just under $2,000, which is roughly half of my total royalties. You guessed it, these books are a mixture of logbooks and activity books. My hardcover royalties have taken a beating lately, and that is because I had to raise the prices the most for these books. It's becoming apparent that the customers are put off by these higher prices. I'm hoping that they will get used to the prices soon and that my sales will return to normal. Now I will break down my expenses. My subscriptions are the same as always, except I spent a little less on advertising compared to May. If I take my expenses away from my royalties, I am left with $2,491. That is slightly less than the month of May, but because I'm looking at the bigger picture, I'm pleased with how my royalties are adding up for the year, and hopefully I can beat my total for 2022, which was just under $65,000. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.